Our next stop, Auburn Hills, Michigan. You know, we all want the air we breathe to be clean, especially in the vehicles we drive. But with air pollution becoming a problem globally, well, the demand is there to have clean air inside the vehicle at all times, no matter what the environment outside. Well, the research to make that happen is happening here in the U.S., here in Michigan. Let's take a look. With pollution a constant focus throughout the world and high levels of air pollution experienced in countries like China and India, clean air is not just a feature for luxury vehicles today, it's expected in all passenger vehicles.
We have to face the fact that global warming is a reality, and effectively the transportation industry is contributing between 10 to 20% to all the CO2. Very often sustainability in a lot of countries require you to compromise on your comfort inside the vehicle and compromise on the vehicle range and the capability of the vehicle. At NIO, this is not the case. This vehicle do a 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds, so we have not compromised on the performance of the vehicle. We are offering luxury to the people, and we're combating the pollution problem in China while, having no compromise for the customer.
As North America's Vice President of Development for NIO, a smart electric vehicle company in China, Bruno is especially concerned about having the cleanest air quality inside their latest high-performance vehicles.
Well, this is our ES6. That's the second vehicle that NIO has designed and is producing. E stands for electrical, S for SUV, and 6 is the size of the vehicle. It's got a battery that is swappable, so you can replace the battery and change it instead of charging the vehicle. And all our commitment at NIO is to develop electrical vehicle that will improve ultimately the pollution problem due to the transportation in China.
That commitment to clean air, especially inside the cabin of the automobile, was the reason for NIO to turn to a company called Air International Thermal Systems, a global technology leader in HVAC systems for electric vehicles, with a long history of designing thermal products custom fit for the vehicle, as well as protecting the environment.
Founder Owen John started the company back in 1967. And at that time he had purchased a Jaguar XJ6, and at that time in Australia air conditioning was not available in the vehicles. So having a fairly hot climate in around Melbourne, Australia, he wanted to install an air conditioning system. Couldn't go out and buy one, so he had to build one himself. And being an innovative person, he built a HVAC unit that fit perfectly into the vehicle, as though it was designed by the manufacturer themselves.
Today, Air International is globally recognized as a technical leader of automotive thermal products in facilities around the world.
Part of that mission now is, different to when we started, is a big focus on the environment, as well as improving efficiencies of the system, both performance, weight, etc. That all translate at the end of the day to a more effective, more efficient HVAC system and overall thermal system.
Air International began making custom air conditioners for luxury cars in 1982, and it's been delivering premium comfort to consumers ever since, thanks to a worldwide base of engineers overseeing development and procedures such as an evaporator surface treatment process in Thailand and a vehicle climatic wind tunnel in Shanghai, providing engine cooling solutions for the entire spectrum of powertrain applications and climate control modules to fit every vehicle. You could call it follow the sun engineering, as the sun is setting on research going on in China, while the workday is just beginning here in the United States at the Air International R&D Lab in Michigan.
We're working on these very complex thermal systems that improve the efficiency of the battery electric vehicles so that you can drive them farther, so that when you get in them, they warm up faster and cool down faster and are every bit as comfortable, and even more so comfortable, as an internal combustion engine vehicle. There's also cabin air quality, meaning filtration, measuring the quality outside the car versus inside the car, using ionization and different technologies to purify the air as it comes in, and balancing whether the air outside is better than the air inside, and moving that air back and forth as needed.
Intelligent smart HVACs is the future for us, providing solutions for autonomous vehicles as well as continuing the work we're doing with electric vehicles. So again, making the passenger compartment a lot healthier than what it is today, and also making the HVAC system environmentally friendly.
In the case of the HVAC system, we have developed a system with AI that allows the best air quality in any kind of city, even the most polluted that the customer can encounter.
It's all about protecting the environment while at the same time protecting passenger comfort inside the vehicle for that perfect ride on this good earth.